Hey guys, being here. Previously we did this exercise, which I think it's not good enough. So today I'm going to do another one. Okay, so let's start. So first, create a new curtain panel or pattern-based family. Okay, so we're going to just use this one. Use this rectangle pattern. So point, place draw on face in the middle, and select these 2 points and spline, reference line. So then another point, draw on face in the middle, and now we need to set work plane. Draw on work plane, set. So say if tab, so this is the work plane we are going to set. So tab, click. So now use this ellipse, click here and here. So you will see that 2-dimension temporary dimension. Click on them, 1, 2. So and then we're going to create 2 instant parameter. So first one, select this one, create what's this called? Sorry, my cursor is too big. Create parameter. Okay, create parameter. So first one, let's call it R1 instance. Okay. Second one, create parameter R2 instance. Okay. So now we need to have 2 reporting parameter. So set work plane on this reference line, and then di dimension. Pick the point and this point. Okay, so this one's R2. Let's call this D2. So create a parameter D2 instance reporting. Okay, and create another one. Same. Set work plane first. Di point. Okay, so select this one. Create parameter D1 instance reporting. Okay, so now go to family types. R1 equals D1 divided by 2. R2 equals D2 divided by 2. Apply. Okay. So let's flex this. So change. Oh, sorry. Control Z. Select this. What's it called? Tile pattern grid. Select this, and then that's 2-dimension horizontal and vertical spacing. Change this. So see, it will match the grid. Okay, good. So now let me just change the scale so it's easier. And move your cursor, select this point, and see this here, the rotation angle. So if I try 45, we'll see it rotate the circle. Or actually it's what's that called? Ellipse. Okay, so click this point, associate family parameter. So click on that one. Let's call it maybe A instance. Okay, and okay. So now you can just select this shape. Yeah, it's reference line, so it's fine. Just create a form. Here I'm just going to just create a face, and then that's it. So now let me create a conceptual mess. Okay, so okay, and then let's draw a spline. turn it into a reference line, create form, so and create, sorry, wrong one, divide surface. So I'm going to use let's try max spacing, both maximum spacing and both 3 meter. So yep. And then load this family into here, and then select the pattern family 4. Okay, so if you tab and select, you can select individual one, and you can change this, so you can have all like facing one direction, or you can have random pattern, or you can even try Dynamo to create some. Yeah, I'm not sure. Probably in next video I'll have a test, see if I can do anything in using Dynamo. But today that's it. So let me try if it works on an organic shape. Okay, so click this, uncheck this component. So see if you click on this one, so it will only show the surface. Yep. So if I click on this lock, and then I believe I can move. Yeah, I can move this, or I can also hang on. Where can I add profile? Tab. Okay. Yeah, if you tab and select this face, you can add profile. So here I'm going to add one here, and then you can select the profile and move it to maybe yeah, it will take a little while, because although we don't have those circle showing, they are there. So okay, now the shape is a little bit organic shape, and then if I hide the surface and show, so you can say yeah, so it still works. So okay, I think that's it for today, and tomorrow we will have a play of Dynamo. Okay, so see you next time.